Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here. It's called Volusion, and Volusion is an e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage online store, and it provides a range of tools and features to help users build. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Volusion or volusion.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is all the results I got after my search on Google. We have the official site, Volusion. We have some images and we have the similar website here. We have their page on Twitter and other sites. We need the first one, that means the official site. Let's click on it. Volusion e-commerce website builder and online selling platform. So this is the homepage or the interface page of the website. You can find all what you looking for on the sites. It's very easy to use and practical. You need just to read them carefully to understand it. And we have here some or start a free trial for 14 days, and if you like the website, you need just to pay it for continue using it. That means you have 14 days free trial and no credit card required. Okay, they will not ask for the payment card information and first time you start on the website, but after this 14 days you need to enter the information of the payment card to pay the plan that you choose. Okay, so we will come back to this page later after I show you how to start for free and see the different information on or of the websites. Okay, let's click on start for free. Now this is the following information that we need to enter, and we need just to click on this to create the account successfully. Okay, we need to enter the first name, and the last name, the email address. We need to select the country, and then the annual business revenue. Okay, we have because we try the first reel, we need just to choose the first one, and company name, then the industry. You need just to select one, that mean what do you want to commerce, beauty and cosmetics, children, baby, crafting, hobby, gaming, digital download, education, electronics, or any one do you want. Okay, let's try with the beauty and cosmetics. Then you need to enter the phone number, and for the websites, and now click on start the free trial. Okay, now we need to rewrite the password that we already entered. It should be easy to remember. For the products management on Volusion, is provides tools to manage products catalogs. User can add and organize products, set pricing and inventory levels, create product variants, and manage product options and attributes. And the platform supports physical products, digital download, and services. So now we create the account successfully. So now we are in the dashboard, like you see with me here. So this is the dashboard. They show you the difference between the ordinator and the phone and how to use each one of them. So let's come back to the homepage to see the different services that the website is present to us. And let me tell you something very important about the payments and the checkout option after you complete the 13 days with the free. The Volusion integrates with popular payments gateway, allowing businesses to accept various payments methods from customers. It supports major credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, and more. And Volution also provides a secure checkout process and allows users to customize and a checkout page. Now, here we find the different services like the sit-in. You will find it over here, the company, the checkout, the cheapen and the task, the Avalora task, and the payments, like I just said now, for the payments and the checkout option. And for we have this, the currency. You want the dollar, the euro, and the others, and the IP firewall, the config variable on the configuration, and the custom field, and the maintenance. And we have here the reports, like you see with me here. And we have the marketing here, and for the marketing and the CEO, Volution offer built-in marketing and CEO features to help businesses promote their online stores and improve visibility. Users can create a discount codes, run email marketing campaign, optimize product page for search engine, and integrate with social media platforms. Like example, let's try to click on the social media center to see what it's contained. So this is the sound, the social network. Here to create the message or the add the link, then the products and the categories, and then it will just submit it. And this is how to use the social media center. And also we have the Google customer review, and we have also the inventory, and we have the customers over here. And let me tell you that the security and hosting, the Volution handles hosting and security aspects, ensuring that online stores are secure, reliable, and scalable. It includes SSL certificated regular backup and protection against security threats. Volution also provides around-the-clock customer support to assist users with any technical issue or questions. And we have the orders over here, the process orders. You need just to click on this, phone orders, or we can call it also the mobile commerce. The Volution ensure that online stores are mobile friendly and responsive, providing a seamless shopping experience on mobile device. Mobile optimized themes and responsive design elements help enhance the user experience for customers browsing and purchasing for smartphones and tablets. And we have the dashboard that we already seen in here. So this is our site today. Please, if you liked the video and understand me, subscribe for more and follow to see more videos like this. So like usual, my friends, bye bye to the next video and next website. Still with good health until that time.